Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and you can do it differently. It depends on which kind of navigation type you've got set. If you've got 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. And if you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and release the finger. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. So basically, if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on this X button in the middle, almost in the middle, and we've got this information that all apps has been closed, which simply means that we just successfully turned off all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.